Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Upasana's maths class. So in this quiz, we are given this question where we have 1 plus 8 plus 27 up to 1000. We just need to write the answer. In these types of series, when we need to do the sum, we actually try to observe the things. If we observe here, we have this is 1 cube, this is 2 cube, this is 3 cube, up to so on, this is actually 10 cube, right? So if we have these types of sums, we need to add this. What do? We have a formula for that. What is that formula? That formula is actually this, that if you need to add consecutive cubes, you do? You use this formula n plus 1 by 2 and whole square of this thing. Okay? So here in our case n is actually 10, right? So we will have 10 times 11 by 2 and this is whole square, right? If we solve this we will get this. So it is nothing but 55 square. And in my previous video I showed you how to do this with short trick. You just need to write 5 square, that is 25, and then the previous number 5 you will multiply it with the next number 6. So 5 6 are 30. So answer is 3025.